Hi everyone, welcome back to Lash Therapy. My name is Maria. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that bell notification to subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on any new content. Before I jump into this new exciting video, I wanted to mention that I have this Facebook support group called Lash Therapy. It's not just for beginners or advanced lash technicians, but it's also for all beauty professionals. So definitely check out the page, add yourself to it. It's a great community that's super supportive, and it's just growing super fast. So I do wanted to say thank you to everybody who has added themselves to it. All right, so let's jump right into this video. Now, if you are a freaking weirdo like me and have tons of different tweezers that you don't even use because you're just trying to find the right one that fits for you, you are not alone. I have been in the industry for about 4 years now. Let me tell you that I have probably spent over $1,000 trying different tweezers and hoping that they work for me, like hoping that that one tweezer, I mean specifically volume, is going to be the tweezer that changes the game for myself. It's just going to make my life so much easier with my clients, and it's going to help me create the perfect fan. I mean, I just have a couple of things that I check off in my mind when I work with tweezers. The first thing is just the weight of the tweezer. Even if you are new, or even if you have been in the industry for a while, you've probably experienced it. When working with a tweezer for a long period of time, especially if you're passing over an hour or two, your hand starts to cramp up, and not just your hand, but like your wrist and like your thumb. It just starts to stiffen up, and like sometimes you just have to put the tweezer down and just like move your wrist so it feels a lot better. That's like the biggest thing for me when I purchase a tweezer, and seeing if it's the best fit and making sure that the tweezer is not too heavy so I don't run into that problem. The second thing is it even grips the lashes when I pull the lashes off the strip. Now, I know what a good quality tweezer is compared to a bad quality tweezer because I've been in the game for a long time. And when I go in and I pull off my .03s on the strip and they fall completely apart, it's not you. It's probably the tweezer because it's not fully closing. It's not fully gripping the lash extensions. And a lot of girls, they get so discouraged and they get so frustrated because they feel like it's them, but really it's not. It's just the tweezer you're working with. That's like the biggest second thing that I really look into when working with them with my clients. If you are like me and you have a crap ton of different tweezers that you don't even use, I just want to let you know that there is a light at the end of the tunnel, you guys. This is why I am making this video, because I really wanted to showcase this specific brand. I firmly believe in them. I swear by them. I really feel like they've changed the lash industry. Like, you know, ever since they've released their products, they have literally just been booming. I have not heard any bad things about this brand. I'm sure you've heard of them, Paris Lash Academy, and I'm obsessed with their ProMades. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, I've purchased like $500 of their stuff. I love working with their .03 CC Curl 12D ProMades. The reason why I feel like they've changed the lash industry is because of their ProMades. Their bases are so thin. Before, ProMades used to be frowned upon, and now they're not anymore. Now all different brands are replicating almost the same thing, like with their bases being so pointy. And not just brands, but manufacturers are doing the same thing. Paris Lash Academy is having a crazy deal right now for their tweezers. I've taken upon myself, and I've actually bought 6 of them, because if you buy 3, it's like a mix and match deal. If you buy 3, any of their 3 tweezers that they have, you get a free magnetic case for $50. And also, if you want to support the channel, you can add Lash Therapy, all lowercase, at checkout for an additional discount on top of the $50. And if you like do the math, it's less than $20 a tweezer if you take advantage of their sale right now. You really can't beat that. And on top of that, all of their tweezers have a millimeter measurement at the end, which I found to be genius, and I really, really appreciate the fact they even considered to add that for us. I'll leave a link in the description box down below to where you can click the link and it goes straight to their deal. So let me just show you how it looks when you go on their website.
Okay, now we're on their website. I typed it in on Google, but the link I've added in the description box below will take you straight to the Tweezer deal. They also have the option to download their app for both Android and iPhone if you're a continuous buyer and want easier access when purchasing their products. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll back to the top, pressing the 3 lines on the left-hand corner of the website. And then you can press the plus sign next to the tweezers, which will then guide you to new arrivals where you'll find their new mix and match tweezer deal. Once after you scroll down, it also will show you what the price was before. There's 2 different options. As you can see, the top picture is what we want to click on to bring us to the correct area on their website. If you don't want to pay the price in full, they offer an installment plan for $12.50 a month, which makes this possible to afford if you're on a tight pinch financially. There's tons of tweezers to choose from and different styles, and they even give you the option to choose which case you want for your tweezers. So here's where you can pick and choose your different tweezers and where you can also pick which case you want, as well as more of a description below if you decide you want to read more about this. Now, I have already added my deal to my cart. I've had these tweezers already set up in my cart just to show you an example of what it will look like when you're here. When I did purchase 6 tweezers altogether because I wanted to take advantage of the deal, which came out to $100. You'll see a price change because this doesn't include taxes or shipping just yet, or the promo code for the extra discount. Okay, so this is where you'll find your total after taxes and shipping. Also, where you can add the promo code, Lash Therapy, all lowercase, to receive that additional discount. Now, if you don't want to double it up like I did with the tweezers, your total will be cheaper. But I just did this just because I wanted to give you an example on how it works. I chose whatever the cheapest option was for shipping because I personally wasn't in any rush receiving them. But if you are in a rush, just keep in mind shipping will be more if you need them ASAP. Okay, so remember when adding the discount code, it has to be all lowercase for it to work, and you'll see below that it's been applied once you have pressed the arrow key. Alright you guys, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple for the most part to navigate on this website. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below.
Thank you everybody for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And like I said before, if you'd like to support the channel, please add the discount code Lash Therapy, all lower cases, at checkout for an additional discount on top of the tweezer deal that they have. And also don't forget to add yourself to the Facebook forum Lash Therapy for support for not just advanced or beginner lash technicians, but also all beauty professionals. And I will see you guys all soon.